Hello everybody, welcome back to Data Tech Info. So in today's class we are going to learn about how can you enter the data, edit the data, erase the data, and one more topic is autofill. Okay, so let's begin. So before we begin, whenever you enter a data in a spreadsheet, okay, so it holds three kinds of data. First one is text, second one is numeric, third one is formula. So what all are these? Let me tell you one by one. First one is text. So what is text? Let me write a name, okay, Mahesh, or some fruit name, mango, banana. Okay, these all are text because these are written in alphabetical letters. Okay, Mahesh, mango, banana, or maybe your name or some car's name like Mahindra. Okay, so these are in a form of text, whatever are written in alphabetical letters. Okay, so this is the one kind of data. Second one comes numeric. You all know what is numeric. That is numbers. Okay, 900, sorry, and 120, 380. Okay, sorry, 360. These are the numbers. Second one is numeric. Third one comes formula. So what is formula? Excel is basically known for simple maths. Okay, not no, sorry, not a simple kind of complex maths, but you can do it in an easy way with the use of formulas. Okay, so what I will do is I will just add these three numbers. Okay, so how I'll do? I'll just select plus sign. Okay, I'll select this cell. I will select additional symbol. Also, I will select this one more plus, and I select this one. Okay, sorry. I'll click enter. Okay, so what it did? So it added all three numbers which I was selected. Let me check this one. Okay, whenever I click on the cell, you can see in the formula bar. So F11, F12, F13. So these are the cell numbers because see, I written 900 in F column in a 11th row. Okay, so that is F11. So what it did, it added three numbers in the form of formula. Okay, so this is third kind of data that Excel holds, that is formula. Okay, so these are three types of data Excel holds. Second one comes customer adding the data in a table or basically if you have some kind of data, you can add the table to that. You can customize that data, and if you colorize that data. Okay, let's see. I have a basic table here regarding some mobiles and their prices. Okay, so this is a raw data right now because there is no table, there is no headline. I mean, there is headline, but it's no proper bold letters for the headline to make that it is a headline. Okay, so what I do is I'll select this all. Okay, I'll go in home tab. So you can see here a table table symbol. I click here. So see here, there are multiple options to add the table. I'll just select all borders. Yeah, it will be in simplicity. As you can see, it added the table to the data. If I don't want if I want make headline highlighted. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go here, I select headline, go in home. So there are plenty of options. Okay, you can do it. I'll just bold that one. Okay, let's see, the headline got bolded. Okay, I will underscore that one to make it more catchy. You can add colors also. Okay, so see here, I'll select right. See, you can add color to make it more bright and more okay, what you can say, more exotic. Okay, and if you want to add a color to this whole table also, you can do that one also. Just select the whole table, go in home tab. See, there is option for this. So there are plenty of colors. Let me select one color. Select this one. See, you can add color to that table also. But if you want to make some changes in the data, for example, if you don't want this iPhone 15, if you want sorry, if you want iPhone 16, just click on that cell, whatever data you want to edit. So I'll just click on this cell, go here, formula bar, write 16, I'll enter. Okay, so iPhone 16. But if you don't want to do it manually, if you don't want a kind of shortcut, you can do it just double click on this. You can edit from there itself. Okay, so this but if you want to go back, if you don't want this data, you want to re-enter the data, different data, but the same format. Okay, so what you can do is just select, go in home tab, there is an option called clear. Okay, right now I don't want this data, I just want the format, so that you can add some other data. I'll just clear the content. See here. Okay, table will be there, the whatever color you added to the table, that will be there, but content will be gone. Okay, but I will take just control Z to get back the data. Now what I want is, I want the data but I don't want this format. Okay, so how can I erase? Just same process, just select, go in home tab, click on the clear option, click on the format. Okay, see here, and get back to the original data in a wrong form. Okay, so these all things you can do in a home tab with the data, like adding a table, erasing, and all those things. Okay, other thing comes is, okay, we're done with erase and all. Okay, next topic comes autofill. So what is autofill? Let me show you. I'll write a number here. Okay, just say 100. Second, I will write 200. Third, I'll write 300. I want this number till 2000. But if I keep on entering manually, it will consume lot of time. So what I will do, I'll just go here. I'll select these three tabs. I can please, I can, I will take my cursor here in the plus symbol and I will just drag. Okay, till 2000. Sorry. Oh, hold day. 19, 2000. Okay. So as you can see, it got auto filled. I didn't done anything manually. I just wrote first three numbers in a manual way. Just and then I just dragged that plus symbol. So what is autofill? So autofill is nothing but Excel has inbuilt format. Okay, so it understood that what I was doing is whenever I enter in the number, I am just adding 100 more to that previous step. Like in the initial step, I wrote 100. Then in a second step, for the previous number, I added another 100. In a third step, for the previous, that is 200, for that I added one more 100. So it came to know that, okay, I am writing in a kind of a pattern where I am adding a 100 to every step. So it got to know that there is a pattern, and it when I drag that symbol, it got automatically filled. That is autofill. Okay, you can do this with not just with the numbers, you can do it with days, months. Okay, and one more thing, you can do it with the random things. Okay, I'll just try one more thing with days. Okay, I'll write Sunday, and then I will write Monday. Okay, so I will just select these two and I will drag here. See, till Saturday it got filled. Okay, so this is autofill. I hope you got to know that what is autofill. So this is for today's class. Hope you guys enjoyed the session. If you like the this video, please like, comment, and share. So this is for today. Meet you in the next class. Bye bye.